Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a product that was sent to me free for review from Landot. This is a Make You More Charming company. They do hairstylist type products, and inside this beautiful box they have sent me one of their heat styling brushes, and it is the negative ion hot brush heating styling brush. And I have had this sitting here waiting to know when I can launch it, and today is the day, and I'm so excited. And it was Lily that sent this over to me, and as we open it up, you can see that it is packaged up very nicely, and on the inside we have some clips here, and I'm assuming this is while doing your hair if you need to clip it, so they send you accessories with it as well. We have plug-in, obviously. We have a brush for cleaning, I'm sure, and then we have the product. But let me tell you a little bit about this product and the company. Isn't that pretty? That looks like a nice brush, and it's going to be heat activated. And let's find out more about this product. Lily has also sent a 20% off code for sending this over to me, and free for review. She is going to allow 20% off your order, and it's JRQFS200, and I'll have that up in the window and I'll have it down in my description. But without further ado, this is the Landot Straightening Brush Hair Straightener. It runs $38.99, just so you know. And they have plugs, like buy a US plug, buy a EU, a European plug, or a UK plug. And of course, I have the US plug. It's a brush heated straightening brush. It's negative ion hot air brush for smooth frizz-free women hair ceramic flat iron brush. It's a dual voltage anti-scald. The ceramic coating, which I can tell you is very nice, and it says the ceramic coating with real crushed pearls creates smoother, harder, and longer lasting heated bristles. And that's right here. It's unparalleled shine, 53% more bristles for a better grip while styling, and is ideal for all hair types. It's comfortable and easy to use. The ceramic smooth glide bristles provide easy glide through the hair with less snagging. The ends of the bristles stay cool to prevent heat damage to your roots and to protect your scalp, which that's good to know. And it says it eliminates frizz. Ceramic and negative ion air straightener brush technology gives your hair extra shine, reduces frizz and static, and the brush styler maintains your damage to your roots and maintains your hair's volume, which I could use a little extra volume sometimes. And it says that it's instant heating. 75 ceramic heated plates deliver consistent, even temperature across the entire surface. MCH instant heating recovery gives superior results with less passes and faster styling, saving time and perfect for your busy morning. And it says it fits all hair types. So hair straightener brush with 12 digital display heating settings from 250 to 450 salon high heat. It's easy to find the perfect heat temperatures for your hair. Straighten, smooth out your hair without flattening or creasing like a flat iron. And that's one of the reasons I was very interested in this brush, is because I don't really necessarily like using a flat iron. I would rather use something like this. And of course I can still use my oils and stuff on my hair, but it says it's going to give it a super shine. And I know my hair's not curly or anything, but I wanted to try it out to see how it does. It says how to get the smooth style. It says select a desired temperature, use a low heat setting for fine hair and a higher setting for medium to coarse hair. Divide your hair into small sections, comb through each one for best results. Slide the brush through your hair from the root all the way down to the tip at a moderate pace. Repeat until desired smoothness is achieved, and this is great for home travel, going out. I mean, if you're going, like say you're going to work out and you're going to do your workout, you're going to get dressed there and you're going to need to do your hair while you're there, then you could just take this along. It's nice, easy, handy, would fit in your duffel bag, no problem. If you're going on weekend trips, it would work great for that as well. And it does have a couple of reviews here. We've got a 5-star review that says, "Love this tool. I'm not a regular flat iron user, but wanted something easy to use when I let my hair dry naturally, and it has some of the wavy, frizzy underside. This works perfectly, heats fast, super easy to use, and straightens hair perfectly. I've even figured out how to give it some beachy waves, loose curls." Ooh, that's cool. And another one says, "Good quality." It says, "Wonderful hair hot comb straightener. I love it, works great, and comes with clips. A nice bag and nice for storage." And it did come with this nice velvety, it's kind of like a pinkish red, like a fuchsia color, very pretty. I will say that their packaging was very nice. This person says, "I have very thick hair and it has some waves to it, but not really the desirable kind of waves. I like this product much better than a straightener. It heats up quickly and tames my hair in just a few minutes. It straightens out the waves and has a similar effect to a straightener, but it's much more efficient. I also have never gotten burned by it. I'm happy with my purchase." Oh, and that would be another good reason to like this. I don't like getting burned by my tools either. So I'm going to unclasp this and see if I can get it heated up real quick. It's heating up really fast here. It was on 350, and I don't know if I need it on 350, but I want to show you. I turned it on and it started heating up. So I guess that's the temperature that it's at right now. And I can feel it heating up. That's really cool. And it says to do a lighter, but it's almost to 350. I want to just show y'all how fast it was heating up. Okay, it got to my desired heat. I'm going to take it down to 270. So now it's going back down, because I don't know what strength I should have it on my hair. And I'd rather go soft and easy to start off with. So it's going to stop at 270, which it did. I can feel the heat, and I'm just going to grab my hair up by the roots, and I'm going to brush it down, and we're going to see what it does. Now granted, my hair is not freshly washed, so I don't know how that's going to affect it. But that's the first wave down. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's see what the next one would do. I'm going to run through it one more time. That was really simple, guys. I'm going to clip this. Where should I clip this? Over here out of my way, I guess. Then I'm going to go for another piece here. And I would imagine you can put your same oils on there that you normally would do. But look at that. We'll just do this side to see how well it does. And then I have another clip that I can clip over here to hold that. And then I have some more hair here that I can work with. All the way down. So wow, there I just made me a new hairstyle with these clips. It's cool what you can do with clips, isn't it? I'm going to let this down and see what it looks like. I've got my other brush here. Okay, y'all seen what it looked like before we started? Wow, that's just one side. And then of course I have the back side to do. I'll do one more section through here. And it took the frizz out right away. Very nice. Guys, this is easy to use and fast, just like it said. Wow, look at that. Okay, now you can see both sides before and after. And that was just 2 or 3 little swipes. I want to see what this side will look like. We know what it looks like right now, and then we're going to straighten it out. Oh wow, look at that. It really straightened it out, guys. Very nice. Of course, I haven't done the back side of my hair, but just doing those two sides. Now if we just flip this over, I'm just doing this so you can see that I'm going to grab another piece of my hair, so to speak, and I'm going to go down this in the same just movement. You want to keep movement going so you don't burn your hair, but it says it won't burn you, and I believe you. I haven't got burnt, so that is very good news. Oh, but look at that. Very nice. This is wonderful. Thank you, Lily, for sending this over. Oh my goodness. It's all nice and smooth now, and that's just in the front part. And of course, I didn't do the back side, and I didn't have any of my oil on my ends, and it still looks fine. So I'm happy about that. Very nice. And I did mine on 270, so I'm glad I turned it down a notch. So very good. I have minimal hair on there, which is nice, and it stayed at 270, and you've got it up and down, so I could take this down some more, and it's going to take it down to 250. So if I just want to brush through it, just give it a touch up, maybe brush through the back side just to straighten it all out. So guys, you got to see what it does right here on my channel. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. That is just lovely. Let me know what you think. I'm going to turn it off. This bottom button down here turns it off, and it tells you that it's off. And I can touch this. It's not hot. I can tell that there is heat, and there is heat on it, but it's not burning me. So I love that fact that it's not burning my hair, and it's still got some heat in there that I could still be working with that. So that was very good. Okay, Lily, I say this is a winner, and I will have the link down in my description along with the 20% off discount if you're interested. It runs around $38.99, and you get that 20% discount. So I say it is a great buy. You let me know what you think. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that may currently be going on. And as for today and the Landot Ion Heated Straightener Hairbrush, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.